Well, with the Excel and as far as my candle business goes, that's going to come in big handy because it can help me create spreadsheets and formulas for my inventory so I can really keep track of my suppliers, fragrances, how much, a tag maybe went to reminder to reorder with formulas with different size. If I'm not being too detailed, different size candles, it's formulas of how much wax to fragrance oil to the size container to the size of the wicks. So with all that being said, I can really make a big spreadsheet and put all these particulars in there. So whenever I do get an order for a certain type of candle or size, all that information can be right there at my fingertips there to really keep track and inventory and to make the perfect candle, which makes sense. CENTS. So yeah. So that definitely will help with that. And once again, I do a lot of quotes and proposals on the massage side of the business. So that I was looking into how I could perfect that and make it very nice and presentable so they don't just look at me as a massage therapist, but oh, okay, either she has someone taking care of this for her, they don't need to know it's me, but it just looks nice.